2019 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, power passenger seat, remote engine start, navigation system, keyless entry, four-wheel drive, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, driver lumbar, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, front floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, ABS four-wheel, rear defrost, premium sound system, AM/FM stereo radio, universal garage door opener. Your new ride is just a phone call away.